All right, so now we're gonna do the grout lines. We'll eventually make our way into the shower, but we're gonna start with the grout lines. Most common place you will find a lot of buildup over time, just lots of people coming in and out of the shower. You can see here we switched to the single hole nozzle with the 1-inch brass brush, and then the extension ones, somebody that's tall like me or anybody for that matter, it makes it a lot easier. So we are going to just simply steam only, no vacuum or extraction, just steam. We'll get that water out. And then we're just going to scrub. And these are actually kind of small grout lines. They're very narrow. So I'm going to be patient and kind of work side to side. And we're going to push out a lot of dirt and a lot of grime. You can see there's a lot of dirt coming out of there. Change direction. Now, something you can do when steaming and cleaning grout lines, you can actually turn the vacuum on. And this is going to help cut out some of that residual as you're cleaning. This will just cut down a little bit of your cleanup time at the end. Now, I'm not pushing down very hard on the brush. I'm just letting the brush do the work for me. So make sure you keep that noted. And as you can see, we have some water run out, as I mentioned earlier in the video. Turn this system up and let it drain down into the system. That'll keep from making a big mess. We're going to switch to the floor brush. And we're going to turn the vacuum on. And we're going to use a reach and pull method. So we're actually going to reach away and pull back. That's going to allow the squeegees to suck the water up and shove it into the vacuum port. And we're going to steam a little bit as well, just to kind of make sure we don't have any dirt that's settled into the pores of the tile. So we'll turn that loose, and then I'll eventually let off the trigger and just vacuum only. So I'm going to kind of scrub, put it on the heel of the brush where you can see there's bristles. So I'm going to give it a little scrub, make sure none of that dirt's settled into the pores of the tile. Good steam clean. Now I'm going to let off the trigger, and I'm going to reach pull back towards me. And this is going to get all that residual water. The key here is to be patient. Let it give it time to suck that water up. And then what I like to do is leave the vacuum running after you've done a job like this. That way you can actually suck most of the water into the hose and you don't have any remnants to clean back up. Otherwise you have to get a different attachment, clean up the floor, make a little more mess.